Good morning. Right? Yes. It's 10 a.m. It's a very rainy day and my lighting is weird. So I have a lot of new charms I've been working on. Again, I just did a update. Hang on, let me see if I can figure out what to do with this camera. Okay, that's okay. You're literally in a drawer of my clay. But I have been working on a lot of these like speckled, off-white, classy looking, I think, classy rustic charms. I need to finish this tray. That's all I have left. These are for next week's update. I was so inspired this week after this update that I posted last night, which did really well actually. So thank you guys so much. I have just been having so much fun using all of these new cutters that I have. I have a book one now, and I've been making book stack. I will show those to you in just a little bit. I also have this spider web that I really want to use like now. It is, so like here's my thumbnail. I don't know how to, so I mean it's exactly an inch, and since it's a circle it's like a big 1 inch. But see, like this is it compared to the goose, and I think the geese are fine. I don't know why I worry so much about it. Like I think the bigger charms are wonderful as well. Pretty much I've just been enjoying creating, and it's been wonderful. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but it is raining very hard today. Will was supposed to have a field trip and they canceled it. He was so upset. I felt really bad, but they're going to reschedule it. We just, obviously they couldn't go on a nature hike today in the rain, so. Look who we have here. Hi, Callie. Yes, meow. I know, you tried to run out the door in the rain today, and I was not happy with you. I wasn't happy with you, Callie Bells. You scared me. Says, yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. I'm gonna attack this box, okay? Okay. Callie, that's my box. Callie, my box. You cannot has. So here are all the book stacks. Look how cute. I did 3 different color combinations. Let's see. Have this one, like blues and a brown. This one's like sunset colors. It's like rainforest colors. The bottom blue is a little bit darker than it's showing on camera. But I think these are so sweet as earrings or charms. I've never done a book stack charm before, so I'm really happy with these. And then over here, look guys, aren't these pretty? So these are going to be in sets of 2. There's going to be, okay, how am I going to do this to show you guys? Don't get dizzy, I'm sorry. So there'll be a strawberry moon, and with the strawberry moon will come one of these really sweet little like imprinted arches. And I thought they would be really nice as mismatched earrings, but also as like front and back stitch markers. And I would do like the Huggy style circle clasps, so they would work for really anything. And then same thing with the succulent moon. And where's my arch? And the arch. I think they look so cute together. And then we would have strawberry tea and a blueberry mug. And then over here, these aren't done, but there will be succulent gourds paired with succulent pumpkins. And this one's just by itself. Really pretty mushroom. So yeah, that's what I'm working on so far. This will be next week's update sometime. I will announce on Instagram the date that I decide to go. We also have a huge selection of new hair sticks coming to the shop. So these ones are new. I haven't sold this style before. Usually it's these and I put a screw in the end and a dangle of charms off the end. And so these came in a bulk pack, and some of them have areas, if I can get it to focus. Some of them have areas where I can hook a jump ring through and dangle something off it, but some of them don't, like this one. And so my thought was that maybe I could do like a really big, like my polymer clay fans. Hang on. So like my big polymer clay fans, and like glue them onto the end here. So it would be really great for like right now my hair is in a bun and it has 2 sticks in it without anything, but I thought if there was something on the end of each stick, like those fans, they would kind of stick out a little bit, like, and just be cute little accents. And then if you were doing like side buns, like pigtails, that would be super, super, super cute. I also thought about doing it with butterfly wings. The problem is I'm a little worried about them breaking. Polymer clay can be fragile. So I thought I would make a couple and I would use them for a while and see how they do. And if they don't chip, then I sell them. So that's what I'm planning. I don't know when the hair stick update's gonna be. I would like to release all of those styles at the same time, and obviously I can't do that until I test the other ones. I also have a huge amount of new wood charms coming to the shop very soon. Some of them are being delivered today and some are being delivered next week. I also have some wholesale orders for wood charms going out soon, and your Beatrix Potter clubs and the Galaxy Celestial Animal wood charm clubs are arriving today. Anyway, I'm going to work on pre-orders today, ship out orders, and probably work on random tidbits for next week while I wait for the mail to get here. You guys, they're so cute. The kids already took some. the rest of my order came. I'm so excited. I have to peel all of these. These are how the wood charms come. I don't think I've shown these on the vlog yet before, as far as like receiving an order. So they come and I peel the front and the back off. Look how pretty. An eastern swallowtail. And a bee. As well as, I doubt these focus at all, these teeny tiny ones. And they are going to be for stud earrings. Can you imagine? Little teeny tiny stud earrings. And then, where'd they go? I also got in clip-on earring attachments. So these are what the earring attachments look like. The ball is the pressure point to keep them on your ears. I tried them on. They are tight, so what you'll need to do if you have thicker earlobes like me is stretch this wire just a teensy bit when you get them, so that they fit your ears perfectly. I've never worn clip-on earrings. I got my ears pierced pretty young, but I'm sure that those who are used to wearing them know how to adjust them. I'm really excited because this opens up more customers. Like more people can wear my earrings if they want to, even if they don't have pierced ears.